Saduman, Canada.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to do an unboxing of an RPG game, a special edition of an RPG game. I ordered it from the site of the game company that created this game. Like it's a video made by me, Hardman Canada, it will not be a normal unboxing. By the way, I have a mustache and my favorite color is green. Don't be jealous of me. The cover of this game has 4 people, the human form of the PSP, DS and Sega Game Gear standing in the middle of nowhere. But it's nothing compared to this cover, Def Jam Vendetta. In this game you see a giant orange man with a mustache holding a $50,000 gold chain made in orange gold with a letter V that represents Vendetta, proving to you that he is the final boss, looking at 2 random people fighting for no reason. Let's look at every corner of this box. This game of Hyper Dimension Neutronia 2 Special Edition is a godly game. We should not think, play, talk about this game. It's against the law. Let's open Hyper Dimension Neptunia 2. Like I'm a collector, I'm very careful with my items. It's like a newborn baby. This must be how it feels like to be a father. This plastic is not normal. It's hard to cut. It's not human. Let's see what's inside. Look, a deck of playing card games. This is the Joker in person.
I am responsible for this debacle.
This is the Joker, Batman's worst enemy. Let's take a look at all of this cards. It's based on character of this game. Another Joker, Double Trouble for Batman. Let's see our next item. A notebook. It shows the character design information, good guys, bad guys, and other game arts. The cover of this book has a sad woman standing in the middle of nowhere, but it's nothing compared to the cover of Def Jam. In this game you see a giant orange man with a mustache holding a $50,000 gold chain made in orange gold with a letter V that represents Vendetta, proving to you that he is the final boss, looking at 2 random people fighting for no reason. Let's see what's next. The game, of course, the least important item. It's rated M for mature in Canada. This game must be dangerous. This plastic is not human. The manual is in black and white. There's a section in French and a section in English, just like a true Canadian. this game has to be my Canadian brother, but it's only in black and white, so it's a fake Canadian. In Canada we have black people, white people, yellow people, red people, brown people, mixed people, and golden people. This manual is only black and white. It's fake, just like the original Game Boy. It's an imposter. Next, the music CD. But there is one big problem with it. The CD is backwards. They will never drive my car. Let's put this baby inside. What's this? Magic Knight? What is it doing in this video? This is some of the music in this game. I like the music. But I'm confused about something. How am I going to play this game on the Sega Game Gear? Puyo Puyo for the Game Gear works fine. She's supposed to be the human form of the Sega Game Gear. I also have the Puyo Puyo CD, which is 1,000,000 times better. And look at this box art. Def Jam Vendetta. This box art is so awesome. No other video game box art can beat it in a beauty contest. You see a black Jaguar that have nothing to do with the game console Atari Jaguar, that looks at you with a piercing eye before biting you for no reason at all. In this box art, you see Rikimaru, the ninja with a scar in his right eye that covers his mouth with a black mask by wearing a black cloth while pointing a sword that shines with the reflection of the light that have the shape of a letter X. The box art of Puyo Puyo for Sega Genesis. Nothing more to be said. In this picture over here, you see the face of a man with a mustache that calls himself Solid Snake, born with an IQ of 180 that gives you the power to make the impossible possible, like descending up the stairs. His big boss Colonel Campbell hired him because of his skills to pass undetected. When he was young, he went to a mission to defeat a nuclear weapon in a secret base. And it was a very, very important victory! Victory! And that's how he defeated Foxhound and the Metal Gear. The box art of Def Jam Vendetta is so great, it's sending you this message. Don't with me. I have a surprise. Look at this game. Me and Dokolokolo, we are going to make a review of this game. Mega Man 5 for the Game Boy. It has nothing to do with the Nintendo version of Mega Man 5. It's very hard to find. The Colo Colo said he will come to make a magic trick. Oh, it must be him. Hello, the Colo Colo. Ready for our game review of Mega Man 5?
You ruined our surprise!
Fatality.
I'm going to perform a magic trick where I make this coin disappear. This clock will prove that it was filmed in the continuous frame with no trick and no editing. This coin will disappear on the discard. I need to concentrate. Alakazam. Oh, I missed. Alakazam. I missed again. Alakazam. Alakazam. I used the wrong step. Alakazam is to make Cup vanish into thin air. It's Hardman Canada's fault. As his guardian angel, I'll teach him a lesson.